Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be breaking down a trade that I took with my Discord group. I shared this in anticipation of a sell-off on NZD USD. Absolutely lovely trade. It did mess around a little bit. We ended up holding it overnight, but then the following day on Tuesday, it ran straight to target, giving us a profit of 5.3R. So basically the trade is here. We took out buy side liquidity into a H1 order block, and we gave this displacement to the downside. This was the high formed on Friday evening, and then we created, this sort of internal structure. So if I just denote our New York kill zone first of all, which would be this around about here, New York kill zone, and we will go. Both of these came in New York kill zone actually. 7 till around about here, New York kill zone. So I was initially interested in this level for sells. However, it wasn't the best priced in comparison to the internal range that we did have, which is this leg of price here. But it did run buy side liquidity. So if we traded into that during the London kill zone, which we did not, so we did not actually end up taking the trade. We actually came in around London lull, so I just let it slide. And the second area that I had denoted for sells was this area here. And bang on New York open or New York kill zone, which is 7 a.m. New York local time. We gave a nice little lower time frame run on liquidity, and as soon as I saw this 15M candle start displacing, I gave the signal to short and just covered the high here. We had about 6.5 pip stop loss on this one. Oh, we want 65. There we go. And I said that I would be targeting below these lows for about 5R. And we ended up clocking in actually about 5.3 because I closed it literally at the bottom down here. I can just show you guys this right here. Where is this? Here we go. Shorting NU. Then just with some updates, the trade was messing about for a while. I had a couple of scale-ins. And I said at minimum I wanted this low. Scaled in again. And woke up in the morning and it was still hovering around. And then we had some movement and then TP hit, giving us 5.3R on the trade, which was lovely. And the second trade that we had was, so taking out this internal low. Before I mentioned, we did also have lots of buy side liquidity to take into this trade to obviously pair with our orders. You do want liquidity for your entries. You don't want to be taking entries off very clean pushes, as I will say, like this sort of thing. There's no previous ranges, to be honest. You do have this inside bar, that's about it, and ultimately you see what happens to this low. It just gets absolutely obliterated. So we took out this internal low after obviously internal runs on liquidity. So I was initially interested in obviously premium pricing, so I strung my premium discount tool on here, and we had the top 30% denoted. Which POIs do we have in the top 30%? It was basically only one, and I waited for my confirmation, which was somewhere around here. I told the guys to short, and I covered actually we had a bigger stop than that. I shorted about here, and I told the guys to cover the candle highs, the candle body highs, and we were stopped out by literally not even 1 pip before the trade died in our direction of about 40 pips. So that was it. We took a lovely winner here, made 5R, 5.3R, and then we took a -1 here. Such is life. It's only Wednesday, so let's see what the rest of the week brings, and I will catch you guys in the next video.